In a ray of hope this week, we take a look at how the dedication of a student at the Lacovia High School in St. Elizabeth to achieve ultimately led to positive outcomes at the end. Here's TVJ's Kirk Wright with that story.
Delano Bingham from Quick Step in St. Elizabeth rose from very humble beginnings to becoming the head boy of the Lacovia High School in St. Elizabeth.
He has made a great step, a big step.
But Delano was never your typically naturally brilliant student. He started off slow, failing his grade 4 literacy tests, and was just not able to get it together in his lessons at school.
When he was going to all-day school, he was very afraid of tests because most of the time when him get tests and come down, it's like most of the time he leave school, come crying, and his auntie have to give him like a pep talk.
Delano's progress started at high school. He tells me he scored 1s and 2s from the 10 CSEC subjects he sat, and that he did 10 CAPE subjects and is awaiting results.
I know that I would do great things, but I even shocked myself because most of the things that I have done are the things that I am doing. I didn't dream or thought that I would be doing them. So it's quite an overwhelming feeling to know that you have put in the work and the results are showing.
Now his peers are following his lead.
I haven't known him for that long, but what it is that when you go around a new person and in that short period of time you learn so much about how a person has motivated others, have captivated others to work so much harder, it truly sends messages to you that that person is quite an intellectual and great person.
He inspires his community members who wish him well.
If somebody out there can see that you're out there and see the potential in him, he can reach far.
Now that Delano has graduated, he has put in a word to help his former school.
I've been at Lacovia High School for the past 7 years and I haven't seen us getting a bus. And I believe that if we get a bus, it will not only help the teachers and the students, but it will help the wider community as well.
I am Kirk Wright with a ray of hope.